Today our topic is about deforestation. Deforestation is the removal of forests or trees from a land, which has been an increasingly significant issue in recent years. It has negative impacts on the environment, wildlife, and humans, and it is a significant contributor to climate change. One of the primary causes of deforestation is agriculture. Farmers often clear forests to make space for crops and livestock, which leads to significant environmental degradation. The destruction of forests contributes to soil erosion, and the land can become unusable for agriculture. Additionally, many forests are home to endangered species, and the removal of trees from their habitats can lead to their extinction. It can also lead to a loss of biodiversity and habitat destruction, which can be devastating for both animals and plants. Another cause of deforestation is logging. The demand for timber products is high, and many companies are engaged in illegal logging practices that contribute to deforestation. Clear-cutting, the process of removing all trees from an area, is common in many forests, and it can have severe environmental consequences. This process can disrupt the natural ecosystem and harm the wildlife that depend on the forest for their survival. It also has negative effects on the climate. Trees are essential for absorbing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. When trees are cut down, this natural process is disrupted, and more carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. This is a significant contributing factor to climate change, which can have far-reaching consequences for the environment and human society. There are several solutions to address deforestation. One approach is to reduce demand for forest products. This can be accomplished through promoting sustainable forestry practices and encouraging the use of recycled materials. Governments can also take steps to regulate the timber industry and promote responsible logging practices. Additionally, individuals can make a difference by supporting sustainable agriculture and reducing their consumption of forest products. It is important to recognize the value of forests and the critical role they play in maintaining a healthy environment. We must take action to protect and preserve our forests for future generations. By working together, we can address the issue of deforestation and create a more sustainable future for ourselves and the planet. Thank you for watching. If you want more new videos, like, comment and subscribe in this channel. Don't forget to share with your friends.